Okay, so I'm going to explain just overview of pages and how to edit or create a page. So if you're looking at your site, as always, you're going to get into your dashboard. And then over here on this black column, you'll click Pages. And by clicking Pages, you're going to be able to see a full list of all the pages on your site. Something important to note when you're looking at it in this view is that anything with this dash is what we call a sub-page. So commitment to safety is a sub-page of about. And I'll just pull up your page so you can see what I mean by sub. It kind of refers to like the menu, so it's under commitment to safety. And if you clicked that, you would see that it's about / commitment to safety. So that is another indicator of it being a sub-page. So to add a new page, you can just click Add New here or here. There's a lot of ways to add a new page. Another good trick is to just copy a page, which I know we've talked about. So if you just are looking at a page that you like, you kind of like the format or the style, you can click Copy this page. It'll say that it was successfully copied, and then when you go to look at your list of pages, there it is. And it's great because it's only a draft at this point, so when you first copy a page, it's not like it's going to be published. You're going to have to go in and publish it, which I can show you how to do that real quick. You can click Quick Edit, and then over here where it says Status, you can just click Published, or leave it as a draft until you're happy with it. I'll go ahead and delete that for now, though. Okay, so editing content on a page. Let's go back into this commitment to safety. You're not going to need to know the code for this, so just make sure you're looking at visual. And like we talked about, editing a page is really kind of just like editing a document in Word. This here, we call this the WYSIWYG editor. This is where you can edit all the formatting of your text. So if I'm trying to edit this, I might go to Formats, then here's where all the headings are, like kind of pre-formatted so that you don't end up choosing a bunch of random sizes. Here's the bold, italic, underline, all of that. Alignment, the color. You can turn text into a button. The only way to do the button is if you've already turned a certain text into a link, which that's this button here. And that's when you might add a URL of somewhere else on your site or another link. And then you can, at that point, then you're able to turn that URL link into a button. Okay, so after you've made any changes, you can click this button here, Preview Changes. That'll let you see what you've done and how it'll appear on the front end without publishing. And then you can go back to that edit page and click Update if you're happy with those changes, or go back in and change something before you do that. With the media library, you're able to add images directly into your page. So if we wanted to add another image at the bottom here, let's just put it right here. You can go to Add Media, and then this is where all the images that you've ever uploaded to your media library live. Or you can upload a file by clicking Upload Files and then select a file, and then your Finder window will appear with all your files. And then once you've added an image, you can just drag and resize it just like you might in Word. And then just briefly, I know we just talked about this, but the grid system is being implemented here. If you click on this text, you'll see that this box is highlighted. So if I click that, I see that that text is being told to only take up 50% of that full width, which is from here to here. And this image is also only being told to take up 50%. Sorry, if I click right here. So this is a way, and you can go into your style guide and copy the code for creating those grids, so that you don't have to do it yourself. But basically, you would just enter any content, whether it's an image or text, highlight it, and then click this grid function, and that's where you can set how wide you want that particular amount of content to be.